Hi everyone, so today we are going to explore one of the key modules of the HR function, which is leave management. Once you will sign in, you will direct it to the home page of IVPHUB. This module offers several features to help employees manage their leave efficiently. Here is an overview of the submodule available. The first one is new leave application, which allows employees to apply for their leaves. Second one is manage leave request, displays the status of leave applications which are approved, rejected, and pending, and provides an option to cancel any pending leave. Third is leave register, shows a detailed record of the employee's leave transaction. So now let's start with the first submodule, which is new leave application. This submodule lets you apply for leaves based on your available leave balance. It also displays your current leave balance for the year in real time. So let's go through the steps to use this feature. First, go to leave management, then select new leave application. Once on this screen, you will see your available leave balance for the current year. To apply for a leave, select a leave category, choose start date, choose end date, mention any specific reason for the leave, and click on apply leave. And that's it. Your leave application is successfully submitted.